Here we have the generation that changed the shape of Ford. On my right, we've got the 79 model Fairmont Ghia 4.9 litre T-bar auto. And on my left, we've got the 5.8 litre Falcon S-Pack. Let's dive into these two cars. Starting off with the 1982 Falcon S-Pack. We have satellite brown metallic exterior paint. That is the factory colour. It's had external paint and original maintained everywhere else in the car. Original interior, carpet, console. Unique to the S-Packs was the combination trim, both vinyl and cloth interior. Here we have the original maintained engine bay. That's the factory original 5.8 litre 351 cubic inch engine. Currently in the car, it's got a T5 manual transmission. The original 4-speed manual comes with the car. Also, the original wheels come with the car as well. The vehicle has travelled a genuine 170,000 kilometres, but presents just as good as a car under 100,000 kilometres. Over here we have the Fairmont Ghia 1979 model, factory snow white with the Sierra trim. Generally they came with the Fairmont Ghia wheels. This car has been fitted with the very iconic 80s Globe wheels. Trim's all original in this car. It's a low mileage 57,000 kilometre car. Very original and maintained really well. It's got its original Motorcraft carburetor on the car. Pull back the seat covers. Look at the condition of that trim. That's day one. Two very unique examples. You've got a low mileage logbook car and you've got a very unique and desirable combination for engine specs and colour combo. Both here at the Australian Muscle Car Showroom. Look at the website for more details and a ton of photos on these two beautiful cars to definitely put in your garage.